This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a rear-view camera, power adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an integrated tailgate step, a power driver's seat, a sliding rear window, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.